Yeah, stand down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next style. Throw a rollie with a iced out, turned out. I see when the time's out, get my burst out. Fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you over me. Got no kids, got me dead.
Yeah, so as you can see, we got a new camera set up, and this is my boy, Mr. Joker Lady 69 from Snapchat.
Bro, Brett represent.
Yeah, he's single as well.
Yeah.
Came here to support Sean. You know, he's practicing drifting because we're gonna go up in the competition as well. Me as well, you know, Teza, but it's fixing, you know, another day, another video for that. As you can see, that car used to be owned by Sean. I was sold to that guy. And yeah, we're walking right here. And that's Sean's car right here, right now. Alright, bro, how do you feel? Fine? Just fine? Come on, man. And this is Sean's brother, the older brother. What's up, man? Yeah, finally, you showed your face on YouTube. It's going on YouTube, bro. So how do you feel, bro? I can feel your heart, man. Are you alright? Do you want me to show you how it's done?
Yes, please. Please do be honest.
Hey, man, look at that.
Bro, I'm shaking, bro. My legs are shaking, my hands are shaking. How was it?
It's okay, I mean,
I'm scared, yeah.
not bad. That's Sean's ex right here. Going for another run. So bro, how do you feel?
I don't know, he has a nice steering wheel. Gouges.
Sorry.
You got you.
This used to be owned by Sean. Look at that. That's our friend as well.
Inshallah, bro, next year, by this time.
Next year?
Do you have any
guys, it's my turn to drift,
Coming out
but
here first time.
I'm a passenger.
Battle scars.
Are you bored?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
First battle scar. I think I do. Let me check. So how does it feel, bro? It's okay. Shit happens.
Say that you are packing it for Pakistan or something.
So how does it feel, bro? Alright guys, that's it for today. It has been a wonderful day. Just came to a practice run and it's almost the end of the day. We're over. Sean has learned a lot of experience. First time on the track.
What's up, man?
So we're ending the vlog. Do you have anything to say? Any comments?
One last ride. You know, can you see my first battle scars? What's up, bro? When are you coming in, bro?
Yeah, soon. Alright,
I
anyways,
feel sad for the GP, bro.
peace out till next video.
Peace out.
Stand down for the best.